There are multiple ways you can set up alerts within SEAShare. The first method I'm going to show you is going up to the top right hand side of the screen, clicking your name, click My Settings, and this is your information page. We've seen this before. Click My Alerts. And you can see you can add alerts, delete alerts, and then also manage your current alerts by clicking on each hyperlink for the individual alerts. In this case, we're going to want to add an alert. And on the right hand side of the page here you see a list of all the information contained within SEAShare, which you can set up alerts for. In this case, as an example, click Facility Announcements, scroll down to the bottom, hit Next, and then this is the details page for that alert. This is where you set up the parameters of the alert. The title is here, Facility Announcements. You don't need to change that. The default name that's going to show up is your name. In this case, since I'm on my account, it's my name. And the change type, you're going to want to be notified, in most cases, all changes. And when anything changes, I typically do not select that. I select when someone else changes an announcement. So here you can see I selected that. And in most cases, I like to receive a daily summary, not instant emails. This will drastically cut down on the numbers of emails you receive. You can also select a time at which you will receive that daily summary. And then you can hit OK. The next method I'm going to show you is setting up an alert from within a list in SEAShare. So in this case, I'm going to use the command calendar as the example. Click View Events, and you will notice this blue menu, which is standard in SharePoint. If you see Actions, you can click on Actions from any list within SharePoint and go through the same procedure I just showed you by clicking Alert Me. Go back to the main page. The last method I will show you for setting up an alert is for a record in a list in SEAShare. And I'm going to use Travel Assistance to use as the example. So click Travel Assistance, and you'll see here is one record within the Travel Assistance list. You also notice here's that blue menu again. You could click Actions and set up an alert for the entire list, but in this case I just want to set up an alert for my item. Click the hyperlink there, or to the right hand side of the hyperlink, and you'll notice this drop down menu appear, and you can see at the very bottom is an option to alert you for that change, for when anything changes this record. So you'd go through the same exact steps I showed you previously on how to set up that alert. So next time anything that changes with this record, I'll be notified via an alert in email, so I don't have to keep checking these lists daily to see what the changes are. This concludes the demonstration on how to set alerts within SEAShare.